Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back in action. This is your brother Abdi Muhammadun, who will be checking for you surface area of rectangular based pyramid. Remember, in our previous class, we have discussed about how to get the total surface area of square based pyramid. Okay, this time we're gonna discuss about how to get the surface area of a rectangular based pyramid. Is what we're gonna discuss for your information, guys. Without wasting time, let's now see the two situations that they can actually bring during national examination, okay, or how they can frame during national examination. Let's start with this one. This is our example, example 1, okay? This is example 1 for your information, guys. So in our example, you are told the figure below. The figure below shows a right pyramid standing on a rectangular base. Standing on a rectangular base. Standing on a rectangular base. A rectangular base A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. In which AB is equal to 20 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Full stop. Each slant edge of the pyramid is 30 centimeter long, okay? Is 30 centimeter long. You are told first to calculate to the nearest whole number. Calculate to the nearest whole number. Calculate to the nearest whole number the surface area of the pyramid. The surface area of the pyramid. Full stop. So let me draw for you. This is what you have, okay? I hope this time around you know how to draw. So we'll have a figure of this kind, okay? Let me wrap this thing. We need something neat here, just understand. So this is the figure. This is our figure. So we'll have this one. Okay? Now this is A, B, C, D, then this is V. So you're told these ones are 30 centimeter each. Okay? Even this one is 30 centimeter, just understand. So the dimensions given are what? 20 by 12, okay? We have here 20 centimeter and here 12 centimeter. So now there are two ways that these guys can frame diagrammatically this kind of concept of mathematics. When you have the slant height and the base, okay, what you're gonna do is here when you're talking about the rectangular base pyramid, actually we are still dealing with the 4 triangles and the base area, but now the difference in the dimensions here of the rectangle will result a difference in the dimensions of also the triangles, okay? So we will get now 2 triangles. We'll pick out 2 triangles. We are not going to get AC, it will not help us. AC is always, we are going to look for AC when we have dropped height from V up to the midpoint, okay? Now, what in such situation, this is how you are going to handle such kind of question, yeah? You will pick out this triangle first, VBC, and get its height. When you get the true height of that one, you will get area times 2 then, because you have another triangle, okay? That's sharing the same base with this one and the same height. So you're going to say times 2, then place somewhere that one, okay? Get the solution, not problem. You also pick out triangle VAB, which is also an isosceles triangle, get the true height, okay? Then from there, get the area times 2 again because you have another triangle, another similar triangle, okay? Then add the two areas. Then that will give you the area of the 4 triangles. Then to get the surface area, you will add area of the rectangle. That is the procedure. So for me to solve this thing, I'm going to say solution. I'll say taking out triangle. I'll start with the VBC. So this is how triangle VBC looks like, okay? I love this triangle. This is V, this is B, and this is C. And I know these two sides are equal 30 centimeter. Here I have what? Here I have 12 centimeter, okay? We are dealing with a VBC, remember. This is 12 centimeter. So what you're going to do is actually, you must have your calculator. We will drop a point from V, I will drop a line from V to meet BC. And we will call this point M always, yeah? Just understand M. So this is 12 centimeter. So M divides BC into 2 equal parts. So this will be 6 centimeter. Here also 6 centimeter. So now let me get the height, okay? Let me get the height. I'm going to say, for your information guys, the height is VM. I'll say VM squared is equal to VB squared minus, because we want to get the height, minus BM squared, okay? So VM squared therefore is equal to 30 squared. Remember VB is 30, don't forget. VB is what? Is that. So we are going to say 30 squared minus 6 squared. So we are going to get VM squared is equal to 900 minus 36. So VM squared therefore is equal to 900 minus that 6. So that's 864. 864. Then into root now. So VM is equal to, you're going to say the root of this one. Root my answer, it will give you what? 29.39, okay? It will be 29.39 centimeter. And that is the height of this triangle. So I'll say area. I'll say area is equal to a half base times height times 2, because I have another triangle of this kind. So it will be area therefore is equal to a half times base, which is what? 12 centimeter, times the height, which is 29.39 centimeter, times 2. Okay, cancel this 2. Why are we saying times 2? Because you have another similar triangle, don't forget that. So it will be times 36, times 12, sorry. 29.39 times 12. So this will give me 352.68. So area will be equal to 352.68 centimeter squared. I will also pick out this triangle. Just understand, yeah? You know, I've picked out what? VBC. Let me also pick out VAB. Also, checking out. Say, also checking out. Inform them. Checking out. Checking out. Triangle VAB. VAB. So this is triangle VAB. VAB. And again, it's an isosceles triangle. So here we have that centimeter. Here also that centimeter. The base is 20. Okay? Let our base be 20. Yeah? 20, which is this one. So I will drop now. I will drop. Let me make this space to be very clean. Yeah? So we know that the base is what? Is 20. Yeah? So the base is 20 centimeter. So I will drop a line from V to meet AB. And this will be a perpendicular line. Call this point M, yeah? So let me get VM. Let me get what? VM. I know this is what? 10. This is also 10. So I will say VM again. I'm looking for the true height. I just understand. I want to get the true height. VM is equal to VM squared is equal to VA squared minus AM squared. Okay? So VM squared therefore is equal to 30 squared less 10 squared. So this will give me VM squared therefore is equal to 900 plus 100. So VM squared therefore is equal to 800. So I want to get VM. Remember, I will introduce root. Yeah? Then VM therefore is equal to the square root of 800. Root 800. That's 28.28. Okay? 28.28 centimeter. What will I do? I can get the area. I'll say area again is equal to a half base times height times 2, because we have two similar triangles, yeah, that are sharing the same base and the same height. So area therefore is equal to a half times base. In this situation, we have 20 centimeter times the height, which is what? 28.28 times what? Times 2. Why are we saying times 2? Because we have two equal triangles. Cancel these two with this one. So you will have times 20, 28.28 times 20. So this will give me 565.6, okay, 28.28 times 20. So that is 565.60. Area is equal to 565.60 centimeter square. Okay, then I'll say area of the four triangles. I'll say what? Area of the four triangles. Just understand this. Is equal to, I'll add these two. That is 352 point what? 0.68 plus I'll say plus, look here, plus this one 565.60 centimeters square. So plus 352.68. So that will give me 918.28 centimeter square. Okay, this is 28, yeah, just understand that. So this is my area for your information, guys. Okay, then this is the area of the four triangles. Then I'll say area of the base. I'll also say what? Area of the base. Okay, area of the base is equal to, area is equal to L times W, because that's a rectangle. Just understand, yeah. So I'm going to say area is equal to 20 centimeter times 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter. So area therefore is equal to 240 centimeter squared. Okay, total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area will be 918.28 centimeter squared plus 240 centimeter squared. So this will give me 8,2,8,5,11. Then you are told to the nearest whole number, so that will be, the answer will be what? 1158 centimeter squared. The moment you are told to the nearest whole number, make sure you do away with the decimal, yeah, because you cannot take one from this one. So the answer is what? 1158 centimeter squared for your information, guys. I think this is very easy, by the way. So what are we doing? What we are doing here is, remember, we will take this triangle outside, we'll dig it out to avoid confusion, yeah. Then this is an isosceles triangle, because here we'll have that here also, that here, and the base is what? The base is 12, okay. We will also, then we'll get the true height. After getting the true height, get the area, then times, say times 2. Mathematics is not hard, my friends. Mathematics is easier than what? It's easier than social, what do you call it? History, IRE, and CIRE. Mathematics is very easy, honestly. You only calculate, okay? You carry out your calculations based on the factual ground, yeah? Just understand that. Then you will also pick out this triangle called VAP. Do the same then. Get the total area of the four triangles, add the area of the base, and that is the final answer for your information, okay? And the right procedure to follow. Okay. Now let's see a situation where, we don't have the slant height, okay? Let's say we don't have what? Let's say a situation where we don't have what? The slant height for your information, guys. Okay? Let's see this one. Example 2. Example 2 is what we're gonna see when we don't have the slant height, yeah? Just understand that. Okay? Let me wrap for us the whiteboard. so that we create space here. Okay, now let's see that. Okay, let us see that. For your information, guys, let's see that. Okay, let's move ahead and see this thing. Okay, let's see a situation where we have like this one. Okay, look at this figure. You're told this is example 2 for your information, guys. This one our example 2. So you're told the figure below shows a right pyramid the figure below shows a right pyramid standing, a right pyramid A, B, C, D standing on a rectangular base, okay, on a rectangular base, measuring okay, that is centimeter by 24 centimeter, okay, that is centimeter by 24 centimeter. Okay, you're told find the surface area. Find the surface area if the height of the pyramid is what? Is 18 centimeter. Full stop. So let me draw for you. This is the figure. Let me draw for you the figure. This is our figure. I just understand. So this is V, A, B, C, D. So they said what it is measuring. That is centimeter by 24 centimeter. So they are dropping a certain height. They are saying there's a height dropped from this point up to this one, up to this center. So this is what? This is 18 centimeter. Just understand that. That's 18. The dropped height up to this point is 18 centimeter. Just understand, guys. 18 centimeter. So this is the procedure. Don't get confused. We are lacking what? The slant height. So we cannot pick out any because we don't have the two equal sides of this one. This triangle, the two equal sides of this triangle VAB, or otherwise the two equal sides of triangle VBC. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do then? What are you going to say? We are going to do like this. Just understand here. We will get AC first. When the figure is drawn like this, you're going to get AC. So you're going to say AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Just understand that. Plus what? Plus BC squared. So now AC squared is equal to that is squared plus 24 squared. So this will give you how much? Let me get the calculator. Make sure you have also your calculator. Just answer. So AC squared is equal to that is squared plus 24 squared. So this will give me 1476. 1476. Then introduce root into root. Then AC will be how much? root of my answer, okay? The root of answer, that's 8.42. That's 8.42 centimeter. Okay, that's what? That is AC. That's AC. So this is 90 degree. So let me call this point M, yeah? Let me call that point M. Or let me call it O, not M. I'll call O. So now I want to get, I'll get OC. OC is half AC. I want to get later on this one, just understand, yeah? So I'll say, which is equal to half times that 8.42. So that 8.42 divided by 2, that's 19.21. OC is equal to 19.21 centimeter. So what am I going to do then? Now taking out, I will take out this triangle, just understand, yeah? It is giving me a lot of factors, you see. Now this time I want to get a, just understand, yeah? Let me taking out, say like this. Taking out. Which one are we going to take out? Triangle VOC. VOC, just understand that. Then it will be like this. This is V. Oh, sorry. It's not an isosceles. It's right angle triangle, just understand. So it will take this shape here, just understand. So this is the triangle. VOC. Here I have 18. This is 90 degree. This is 18 here, VO. And here we have what? 19.21 centimeter. Then see, I can get VC. So I'll say VC squared is equal to what? The height squared, which is VO squared plus the base squared OC squared. So VC squared is equal to, I'll say 18 squared plus 19.21 squared. Okay, so it will give me 693.024. Then introduce root now. So VC is equal to, what will be the square root of that one? Then we get to answer 26.33. And that is the slant height, yeah? 26.33. So now, see, I can now, again, let me get now this triangle. Now I've gotten this one as 26.33 centimeter. Here also 26.33 centimeter. So I'll say again, taking out. Let me take out this triangle. V triangle, taking out triangle VBC. I know that it will take this shape. It's an isosceles triangle, just understand, yeah? So this is V. Let me draw something sensible. This is V, B, C. Here we have 26.33. They are same, 26.33. Here the base is what? 24. So let me get the height now. The problem with this question is we don't have the slant height. First we are going to get the slant height. After that is when we are going to get the true height. So this is M, yeah? Don't forget. This is our M, and this is 26. This was how much? 24. Divided by 2, this is 12. This is also 12. Just answer. So let me get Vm. I'll say Vm squared is equal to Vb squared minus Bm squared. Okay? Just understand that. So Vm squared is equal to 26.33 squared minus 12 squared. Okay? So that will give me how much? 26.33 squared minus 12 squared. So that's 549.27. So I'll get, look here, Vm squared is equal to 549.27. Then introduce root. So Vm is equal to root of our answer 23.44 centimeter. Now let me get now the area. Area is equal to a half base times height times 2. Area is equal to a half times base, which is 24, times height, which is what? 23.44 times 2, yeah? Cancel these two again. So it will be times 24. So that will give me 562. Area is equal to 562.48 centimeter square. That's, you are done with this triangle, yeah? Times 2. Come to this one again. Check it out. Look here. Triangle VAB, yeah? VAB. So I will also say like this. This is my triangle. This is V, this is A, and this is B. Here we will have what? The same. 26.33. Okay? Here we have 30. Here we'll have what? 30. Drop a line. This is 15. This is also 15. 15, okay? This is 90 degree. So we'll have, let me get VA. Now VA squared. VA is what we are missing is VM, sorry. So call this point M. Let me get VM squared is equal to VA squared minus AM squared. Just understand we are following the same procedure. So it will be VM squared is equal to 26.33 squared minus 15 squared. So that will be how much? 26.33 squared minus 15 squared, okay? 482.27, yeah? 406 VM squared is equal to 468.27. Then introduce root again. VM into root. So VM, therefore, VM around is equal to root of our answer 21.64. 21.64 centimeter. So that's the height. So you can get now the area. Yeah, let me wrap this part because we are done with this statement. Yeah, just and some. So come back to this point. Yeah, this question needs a lot of calculation. Just understand this thing is very easy. It's a matter of taking this triangle out and this one out the moment you get the slant height. Okay. Now area, we are going to say area. Area is equal to a half base times height. So area therefore is equal to a half times my base, which is 30. Remember I say times 2 because we have two equal triangles, yeah? Times 2. Times the height. The height is what? 21.64 centimeter times 2. Cancel these two again. So you're going to get 21.64 times 30. 649.2. Area is equal to 649.20 centimeter square. Area of the four triangles. Area of the four triangles. That would be at, where is this one? 562.48. Area is equal to 562.48 centimeter squared. Okay? Plus this one, 649.20 centimeter squared. So area is equal to plus 562.48. So that is 1211.68 centimeters square. Then you're going to say area of the bottom. Area of the base, yeah? Is equal to L times W. So area is equal to 30 centimeter times 24 centimeter. Would you give me 720 centimeter squared, okay? 720 centimeter squared. Then total surface area. Total surface area will be, add now, 600, where's this one? 1211.68 centimeter squared plus 720 centimeter squared, add plus 720. So area, surface area, therefore SA is equal to, surface area therefore is equal to 1901.68 centimeter squared. So now get the difference here. When we don't have the slant height, get the slant height first, its mass, so that you get your true heights here of these two isosceles triangles. And that is the procedure, guys. We are done with the area of rectangular base pyramid. For your information, guys, make sure you do a lot of research here before you are faced with the challenge of KCSE, okay, or any other exam. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe this noble YouTube channel of ours. It's an academic channel, okay? It will help you. It will also help your family members and friends. My friends, make sure you also leave your comment in our comment box. Otherwise, have a nice day.